In research, sampling methods are essential to gather data efficiently and accurately. Two common sampling techniques are cluster sampling and stratified sampling. Understanding the difference between them helps researchers choose best approach for their study. Let's explore these sampling methods and see how they work with simple examples. Let us start with cluster sampling. It involves dividing the population into naturally occurring groups or cluster and then randomly selecting entire cluster for study. Instead of selecting individuals from the whole population, entire group are chosen. This method is useful when it is challenging to access the whole population. Imagine you are studying students' health in a large country. Instead of picking students from all the schools across the nation, you can group schools by region: north, south, east, west. Then you randomly choose several regions and study all students in the selected regions. Stratified sampling, on the other hand, involves dividing the population into subgroups or strata based on specific characteristics like age, gender, income. Researchers then randomly sample individuals from each stratum. This method ensures representation from all segments of the population. For example, a researcher wants to study the voting preferences of a population divided by gender. They create two strata, one for males and one for females. A random sample is then taken from both the male and female groups, ensuring equal gender representation. In conclusion, both cluster and stratified sampling are valuable tools in research, each serving distinct purposes. By selecting the appropriate sampling method, researchers can ensure their findings are both reliable and actionable.